Bhagyashree. He's a marketing manager for ASU. So welcome. So I have a first question. Can you tell us something about the university?
Sure. Thank you, Anu. So basically, Arizona State University, it's a public research university which was founded in 1885. It's one of the largest public universities by enrollment in the US, ranked number one in the entire nation for the innovation, which a lot of Indian students do prefer as they look for a lot of research opportunities in the US itself. Arizona State University is where students and faculty, in fact, work with NASA to develop advanced and lead innovations in space exploration. The main location of the university is in Phoenix, which is the fifth largest city in the US. It's in fact one of the fastest growing cities in the USA these days. Best known for Grand Canyon, which is definitely a huge attraction for the students and the other travelers also. It is definitely a home to many entertainment and professional sports team. Also offers excellent outstanding food choices, including vegetarian, non-vegetarian, and vegan options as well these days in the US. A lot of students do ask us about, in terms of career employment, how Arizona State University is. So we have a lovely stats with us, which says that more than 87% of the students at the grad level and 83% students at the undergrad level basically were employed within 6 months of their education. ASU also provide a lot of scholarship opportunities for the students. We have New American University Scholarship, which we offers to all the international students at the undergrad and postgrad level. So that's how Arizona State University is.
Okay, all right. So if you could tell us about the popular programs available in ASU.
Sure. There are a lot of programs available at Arizona State University. In fact, you name it, and we have the program with us. 79 degrees of Arizona State University were ranked in the top 25 in the US as per the US News ranking, and including 30 programs in top 10 universities in the US. We have degrees including computer science, computer engineering. We have #1 management degree at Thunderbird School of Global Management. Our business analytics program ranked at number 10. We have information systems, industrial engineering, mechanical engineering. We have School of Architecture with us, public administration, health administration, user design experience, human-centered design experience program. So we have a lot of degrees available, which are very popular among the Indian students.
Okay, and the intakes available?
We have two intakes available for undergrad and postgrad both. We have the spring intake, wherein the classes starts from January, and then we have fall intake, wherein the classes will start from August.
Okay, all right. So if you could tell us the USPs for ASU.
As I mentioned in the introduction also, so Arizona State University, it's a home to a lot of sports activities. Phoenix being one of the largest cities in US, have top 500 Fortune 1000 companies within the state itself. So offers a lot of internship and job opportunities for the students. Specifically, Indian students are very concerned about the return of investment that we offer to the students. So Arizona is definitely a great option for them. It comes in top 108 universities in the whole world. So for the students who specifically look for ranking, Arizona State University is a great choice for them. Offers a lot of, in fact, we do offer, we do provide a portal called Handshake to all the international students, which allows them to find out internship opportunities at the campus. Our career placement cell will help the student to find out the jobs, because there are some organizations which might take 4 to 5 months as well. So that's how the universities will help the student, and that's how ASU stand out from the other universities also.
Okay, all right, that's great. So how do ASU assess applications?
There's no standard method that Arizona State University has set for the application assessment. Basically, we give a holistic approach to the profile wherein everything is going to be considered, right? Starting from your academics to your SOP and LORs, everything is going to be considered, and the faculty, department, and ASU admissions will take all these things into consideration. We do need GRE for a couple of programs at the master's level. We do not need SAT at the undergrad level. So SAT will be purely assessed on the basis of your academics and your English proficiency test scores, whereas the master's application will be assessed on the basis of your GRE, English proficiency test scores, academics, couple of programs required, SOP, resume as well. So that's how ASU is going to assess the application.
All right, thank you. So can you tell us CANAM's relationship with Kaplan, as it is a part of the group? ASU is a part of the group, yes.
Absolutely. It's been almost 7 years since we are working with CANAM, and been a great support to Kaplan, in fact, for Arizona State University and PACE as well. They are definitely one of the skilled consultants in this industry, providing education opportunities to the students, not only in US, but for the other destinations as well. We proudly cherish this relationship and receive continuous support from the counselors who are highly skilled and who have vast knowledge about the market. I personally, and I would highly recommend applying through CANAM to Arizona State University and PACE University. All right, so I would definitely request everyone, all the students and the parents who are looking for the child for the applications, to join us for the live webinar, which is scheduled for 14th January at 11:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. Do join us. I'll be able to help you with the applications for Arizona State University and PACE University.
Thank you so much.